Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we are going to make this very beautiful crochet stole for ladies. First we have made 333 chains. Skipping the first 3 chains, we'll make 1 double crochet, we'll make in the 4th chain. 1 chain we'll make, skip 1 and again 1 double crochet. Skipping the first one, we'll pick up the second one. Again 1 chain, skip 1 and make 1 double crochet in the next chain. In this way we'll make the whole row. We have made the first row. For second row we'll make 3 chains and we'll make 1 double crochet over the existing double crochet. 1 chain and again 1 double crochet over the existing 1 double crochet. Following this pattern, we'll make the whole row and we'll make 15 rows like this. This doll is so simple to make. 15 rows we have made. Now one row we'll make with single crochet stitch. We'll make 1 single crochet in every stitch. Now we'll attach different color. Color of course we can take of our own choice. First we'll make 3 chains and skipping the first 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, we'll make 2 half double crochets. We'll not complete it. We'll take the thread from the back Again 2 half double crochets. Now 2 half double crochets from starting point. Now skip 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. In the 4th stitch we'll again make 2 half double crochet. Now club into 1. We'll hold the thread. Now we'll take the thread along. Again 1 chain, pull the thread and 2 half double crochet from 3 different spaces. One from the starting point, skip again 3 stitches, and in the 4th we'll again take 2 half double crochets, club into 1, hold the thread. Now take the thread along. Following this pattern we'll complete this row. We've completed this row. Now for the next row we'll make again 3 chains. Now we'll take 2 sets of 2 half double crochets. 1, and 2. Now we'll club into 1. Hold the thread. Now 2 chains, and again we'll make 2 sets of 2 half double crochets. Following this pattern, we'll complete the whole row. We have completed this row also. Now again with the base color, we'll make one single crochet in every stitch. We'll make 3 single crochets in the gap and 1 single crochet on the chain. And after this row, we'll take our basic pattern. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. Our stall is ready, which is so beautiful. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.